Hello guys, my name is Adrian. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change your VW MK6 emblem. I have a model here helping me today. All right.
Oh my Mom, I'm famous.
There we go.
Oh,
Yeah, there we go.
Nice.
Alright, so you want to get here in the bottom of it. Seems to be the better spot. There's actually a little pinhole. So if you have some kind of spodger tool or screwdriver, you can use that. I think. There we go. It's not supposed to be easy, so they said. Shit, it's really. Damn, I broke it. That's crazy that it broke. Which is fine. I don't need that other piece. There you go.
Nice.
Doesn't come easy. I cracked it here, but I don't need this old one.
Yay. Yay. Mission accomplished.
Here we got the little vinyl inlay we're gonna be using by Klii. We got the one that matches metallic gray paint, and let's start. So I'm gonna heat up the surface of this vinyl a little bit. And I'm gonna heat up the surface here too, so it adheres better. And another tip I have is photograph the plastic piece before you stick the vinyl, so you know where the little holes are in case you can't see them well. So here we go. Recommend using a little squeegee tool to not get any bubbles, and work your way down. If you need to use the heat gun while you're doing it, go for it. So far I'm doing good without it. I'm gonna give it some more heat to help it mold down. So far so good. You want to push the bubbles from the in to the outer part so you don't bring them back in. Oops, got a little ugly area there. This bar is not looking great. Alright, you can see how it looks. It came out a little crooked here, but that doesn't matter because the emblem is gonna cover the whole perimeter here. So my next step is to cut these little holes so the new emblem fits. Let's get to work. So I've taken a picture of what it looks like before so I can make sure I get the holes in the right place. And with this little squeegee, I've kind of pushed in where the holes are so I can see them better. And now I'm just gonna use an X-Acto knife and carefully poke the little holes so the emblem goes in. So that's where it goes. That's where that goes. You don't have to take the picture, but I think it's a nice extra step in case you can't see where these holes are. And so now that I poked the holes, I'm gonna use this little spudger to make sure it even sticks in farther. I don't want the emblem falling off the car. I think that's it. There's just this funny part here, but I don't think it matters. I don't think I need to cut it off. I think it's gonna be fine. So, alright, let's try to put this emblem in place. Here is the famous emblem. And just a matter of pushing it in. Hopefully it fits. Right, got the bottom. And it's in. I found out that if you lift this up and then you start from here, it's easier. Looks like we have succeeded. Yes, it worked. Look at that.